How to change delivery date on Amazon account. If you have purchased something from your Amazon, then how you can change the delivery date of the specific product here on Amazon. Firstly, as you can see, this is my Amazon website or my Amazon home screen available. I have logged into my account now, and I will simply click on my account or my profile option to see my order and my updated orders from this menu. Now this is my profile, and I will go to my order section and show you that there is no active orders right now. But if there is an active order of yours, then how you can change the delivery date for that order. So firstly, you just need to understand that there is no direct feature on your Amazon account to simply change your date. What you can do instead, whenever the delivery guy calls you to pick up your order or the order is arrived, you can simply tell them, the delivery guy, you can tell them to uh, receive your order after 2 days or 3 days. Once you are available, you can tell them to come at that time, and then you can receive your order whenever you are available. So this is how the only option works. Thank you so much for watching this video.